Dear student, now let us take another numerical. What is this? Here we have to check the correctness of the relation. What we have to do? Check the correctness of the relation. This relation n equal to 1 by 2 root under f by n. Okay? Perhaps you are not familiar with this relation. This is the relation which comes in the chapter sound. Okay? Here n stands for frequency of the sound wave, L length, F is the tension in the string, M is the mass per unit length. Here mind it, M is mass per unit length, not only mass per unit length. Okay? Then we have to check whether this relation is correct or not. Then what we do for checking the correctness of any relation? With the help of dimensional analysis, we know that we have to check this with the help of principle of homogeneity. What is principle of homogeneity? It says that if the dimension of RHS is the same of the dimensions of all the quantities in LHS, or both dimensions are same, then this system, the relation of this system will be same. क्या होगा कि अगर हमारा डायमेंशन n का मीन्स डायमेंशन ऑफ क्वांटिटीज इन LHS will be equal to the dimension of quantities in RHS will be equal, then principle of homogeneity says that these two are dimensionally same. It means this will check the correctness of relation. क्या कहेंगे? इसका डायमेंशन दोनों साइड का डायमेंशन सेम आ गया तो हमारा ये रिलेशन जो है सेम. ओके, नाउ लेट अस चेक. देन व्हाट इज हियर? n, then dimension of n means frequency, dimension of frequency, we know that the dimension of frequency t to the power minus. Okay, this is what t to the power minus. Now let us come here, dimension of, at first we take it separately, dimension of f, dimension of m and dimension of f, then we will combine it. Then dimension of f is what? That is m l t to the power minus 2. Already you have done this so many times, है ना? इसका आप लोग कई बार निकाले हैं डायमेंशन ऑफ f. ओके, देन डायमेंशन ऑफ m will be what? This is mass per unit length. Well, this will have m by, okay, both with 1. Then this one will be m1 l to the power minus. Okay. Then this is what? Dimension of m. Now let us combine this whole the system. Dimension of the quantities in RHS. सारा का डायमेंशन ले लेते हैं. Then this will have the dimension 1 by 2 doesn't matter. बताए हैं लिमिटेशन में कि कांस्टेंट का तो कुछ करता नहीं है. Then the dimension of L will be what? L to the power 1. Okay, 1 by L to the power 1. Here dimension of F is m to the power 1 L to the power 1 t to the power minus 2, and dimension of m is what? m to the power 1 L to the power minus 2, and whole will have the power half. Okay, then let us take this to be L 1 by L, write on it here, L to the power minus 1. Okay, this will will be -1. Now this one, m to the power half, L to the power half, and t to the power -2 into 1/2, and this is m to the power 1, L to the power -1. Okay. Okay. Then let us go. Dimension of RHS. Dimension of RHS is equal to L to the power 1. Okay, this one, and this one is m to the power half, L to the power half, and t to the power -1. Okay. And this one is m to the power half here and L to the power half. Both have the dimension same. Then combine it, m to the power, this is half, this is minus. Then m to the power half, this one, and m to the power half, this one, that will be with -half. Okay. Now let us take L to the power half, and this one with -1. Okay, and this one with +half. Okay, here this is -1, this is m to the power half, then m to the power half -1, and this will be -half will be +half. Then now ml, now t to the power to power -1. Erase it. Okay. Now what we find it here? Here m1 half minus half, that is cancelled. Then m to the power 0. Here half plus half, m to the power 1. 1 half plus half minus 1, and this is with e to the power -1. Then this is what? M to the power 0, L to the power again 0, and t to the power -1. Okay, and what was the dimension of LHS? That was -1. It means we can say that dimension of LHS is equal to dimension of RHS. Equal हो गया? Then we can say that hence the proof or the relation is correct. Okay? क्या हो गया? आपको करेक्टनेस का चेक करना था ना, और रिलेशन क्या हो गया? दोनों आपका डायमेंशन इक्वल हो गया, तब क्या कहेंगे? रिलेशन इज करेक्ट. ओके.